And you get lower stress because there's one plan, one process, and one accountable team guiding you from first call to closing, and we're still there for you after that.
Bottom line, when you hire Signature Home Team, you're hiring one representative team. Our specialists executing the Signature way from the first call to an ongoing relationship after closing. Compared to a solo agent or a loose group, our promise is clearer communication, tighter execution, and a smoother path to the keys or the proceeds in your hand. If you've got real estate plans and you want to see how our team of specialists can work for you, let's set up a time to talk.